Hi guys, I'm going to do a quick unboxing video on Signature Fitness concrete weight plates that just arrived at my house. And this is what they look like. And as you can see, UPS did some of the unboxing for me already. But let me take it in my backyard and we'll see what it looks like when we open up the boxes. 8 boxes arrived, but I ordered 3 different sets of 100-pound Signature Fitness weight plates. And it's supposed to come with a pair of 25s, a pair of 15s, and a pair of 10s. And 2 of the sets actually arrived. Even with this open box, the plates look fine, even though the box was ripped open. As you can see in the boxes were delivered at my back doorstep. But the third set, 15-pound weight plates and a pound of 10-pound weight plates. So I'm missing a pair of 25s. So I don't know who's to blame for that, whether it's UPS or whether it's Signature Fitness. But I definitely didn't get a pair of 25, so I'm going to be contacting Amazon because I do expect to get what I paid for. Okay, I'm back. I tried to return the incomplete set to UPS, but they said I needed a QR code. And I don't have a cell phone, so there's no way I can do a QR code, so I contacted Amazon. They gave me a partial refund for $27 for the half of the set that I didn't get. The set cost me $49.99, but with tax, the partial refund, which was a 50% refund, was $27. They're going to return it back to my my Visa account. So I did a partial unboxing. And just initially looking at the Signature Fitness plates, they look to be a better quality than the Athletics Work concrete plates I just purchased about 10 days ago. As you can see, the Athletics Work seems to be corroded. They just don't seem to be as well made as the Signature Fitness plates. The Signature Fitness plates seem to be of different dimension too. For instance, the 10-pound Athletics Work plate is smaller. I don't know if you can see the difference, but this is the overlap. Definitely not the same size. And I'll try to do it side by side. But the Signature Fitness plate is just slightly larger, but seems to be more durable. Seems to be better made, better well made. As for the 15-pound plate, they seem to be the same size. And the 25-pound plate, the Athletic Work, it's just slightly larger than the Signature Fitness plate. But of the two, the Signature Fitness plate is the better design, the better constructed. Looks like it's going to be more durable. Okay, well, that's my unboxing. I still have the others to open, but my advice, if you're going to buy weight plates, the Signature Fitness weight plate is the better plate of the two. The Athletic Works plate was more expensive and is not as well made. As you can see, the concrete's leaking out here. I bought this from Walmart. Walmart did a better job delivering, but the product itself is not very good. So this is what the Signature Fitness 100-pound set looks like when you put it on a bar. That's a 10-pound plate with a 15-pound plate with a 25-pound plate. So 50 pounds on each side. Looks pretty good. It looks better in quality than the Athletic Works concrete plates that I bought from Walmart. And the other ones I just put on a loading pin. I'll be using those for belt squats. I'll be using this for deadlifts, and these for dumbbell work. You can't appreciate the size of these plates, but if somebody didn't know about the concrete plates, I think you're lifting some kind of massive weight. That's only like 200 pounds on that deadlift bar, and it looks like you're benching 400 pounds. That's because concrete, it's not the same, not as dense as metal plates. But even so, if you want to do some ego lifting, concrete plates are the way to go. But the purpose why I bought concrete plates is because I want to keep it outside in my backyard patio. So if it rains or snows or the sun beats down on it, then it'll be okay. The concrete plates are cheap anyway, so even if they were to fall apart, I would just buy new ones. And I have concrete plates over here that I've had for over 40 years, and they still withstand the test of time and the elements. Okay, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.